I gotta tell you, I felt a little guilty, like I was cheating on one of my watches. I met Bob, was it at least 2 weeks ago. You may know Bob from Instagram and from YouTube, fellow content creator, Time to Go, Travel and Timepieces. Great dude. We met up, I got hands-on with the Black Bay Pro. Full disclosure, I no longer have my Black Bay GMT. It wasn't easy, but it's gone. So I didn't feel too bad handling this gorgeous tool watch because wow, I've replaced my favorite GMT with my new favorite GMT, the Grand Seiko GMT Spring Drive. But this one, this Tudor is special. I wish I had longer time with it, but I can tell you I enjoyed every second of reference M79470. 003. Now, manufactured Tudor caliber MT5652 runs this beauty. And you know what? 39mm case for this one. A little bit smaller than what I'm used to with the Black Bay GMT. And I'm telling you right now, I didn't hate it. It was fantastic. This one was on the hybrid rubber strap. Online right now at TudorWatch.com, you can get this or at your local authorized dealer if they have it in stock at around, was it $5,300? Make sure you save your pennies. You know what I say, you never regret buying quality, but just make sure you don't, go into debt to do it. Now, a polished and satin 39mm stainless steel finish with fixed 24-hour bezel. Do you like GMT complications? Because I love them. You're going to like it. 20mm lug width, 14.6mm thickness, and a 200-meter water resistance with screw-down crown and case back. Oh boy. And then you have the dome sapphire crystal. It's just all top-notch quality stuff here. And the ability to have a travel watch, do-it-all watch that you can just fall in the ocean or fall in the water with no problem, peace of mind. That's right up my alley. I'm pretty sure it's right up yours as well. I haven't stopped thinking about this watch since I put it on. If there's a watch that could fill a void for you, right, and you love GMT complications like I do, pull the camera close here. We need a moment. It's the Black Bay Pro. And guess what? They just released it in the opaline or white dial for all you youngsters who are coming up now. Now, me and you, let me show you what makes this baby tick. I'll give you the specs. For my wrists, 7¼ inches. For those of you who are new to the channel, you got to make the decision for yourself, but let's try and give you as much informed information as possible. It was a comfortable wear. The weight was great. Oh, I don't have the weight. I didn't have my scale with me, but it felt good. I'd estimate it's like about 120 maybe grams with that hybrid strap. I'm going to talk to Bob and I'll get back to you on that. I'll make a little short maybe. We'll see. Or just drop a comment down in the post. As a lover of watches and a serious enthusiast, you can't help but have immediate respect for the brand. Tudor is wonderful. And you're going to really like the specs. A little smaller than the OG Black Bay GMT, but packs a punch. The dial, I love darker dials. The black matte dial is the backdrop for all these contrasting colors, the shape markers, the triangle PIP at the 12 with the minute seconds track on the perimeter of that steel chapter ring. Tudor's signed at the 12 with the shield, Genevieve underneath. Oh yeah, 200 meters, 600, feet, chronometer officially certified at the 6. Tudor signature snowflake hands, the hour and the GMT hand, stick minute hands and GMT hand that match the water resistance text. Everything just works. It's just beautiful. A large, small snowflake loom seconds hand sweeps around the dial as well. And you have that date window at the 3 o'clock position. Black on white display, no Cyclops required here. It's a nice, attractive dial to look at with an in-house movement. Now, you're aware of the cost certification there, right, with the movement, right? All these thorough tests that they do, self-winding, automatic with a bidirectional rotor system, screw-down winding crown with quick date and jump hour set capabilities, a true traveler's GMT. This is where the hour hand can be controlled independently to adjust your times depending on what zone you're in. And with that, with 2 rotations, you can change the date as well. So it's running at 28,800 vibrations per hour, carries a 70-hour power reserve. You put it away Friday night, and then you come back and you pick it up for Monday morning, and it's still running and keeping accurate time. What more can you ask for? Because we all know we're putting on a different watch every now and again, so it's no big deal. Unless it's your one watch collection, well, this thing's going to be on your wrist all the time. There may not be a reason to take it off other than to survive or add longevity to the strap that's in place. If those hybrid ones have some sort of water resistance built into them, then you are away to the races. No need to remove this thing for anything. And speaking of straps, it's good, it's lightweight, offers the security with the strong folding steel clasp and closure with that safety catch. Now, if you have the money and you can justify this one, it's a keeper. How's that saying go? I gotta get me one of these. I like the black dial, but like I said, it's been released in opaline too, so it's always good to see there's options for other people, just like you, just in case you like the light colors, you know what I mean? It's Tudor, available online. Who doesn't like to shop from their living room or their bedroom or their kitchen counter? TudorWatch.com. Or you may get lucky at your local authorized dealer where they're sold. I don't know if they're going to be around for long though. Whew, but it is an awesome piece. You're going to like it. Bob's in Curacao. Can't wait till he gets back because there's some discussions to be had. As powerful as this one looks, it's a statement piece. Tudor's no slouch. Every bit as powerful on the inside as it is on the outside. And you're likely going to appreciate that GMT function for all of you travelers out there. No, you, the person who's traveling. That's right. Or you're on the go all the time. No problem. In-house movement, reliable performance is no concern. I've been using manufactured Tudor movement for about 7 years before I unloaded my Black Bay GMT. Time for a replacement, I think. I need another Tudor. Thanks for coming to the channel. That's my hands-on for you. Do all the fancy things, and we'll see you on the next one.